Welcome back, and hope you're all keeping well. I've bought myself another project now. I'm getting a bit over the top of these projects, so I've got all the Jags, and then I've got the lawnmower that I bought that I haven't done yet because I'm still using it for the summer. Well, I was on FaceBay, and let me put it this way: I saw something that was very close to me, which I couldn't resist for £100. So let me show you what I've bought. It's a Lister engine, D-type, and it runs. So I don't know what year this is, so if anyone knows, let me know in the comments. But yeah, like I say, it's I've just been washing it out in here because it was a bit, well, it wants a good clean in there, doesn't it? But it does run, so I'll show you in a minute it running. The only things that need doing to it, so I'm going to restore this, so it all wants repainting. It has been painted before, this is not the original paint. This clip here is knackered, so I need a new one, just so someone's cable tied it. It's got the starting handle. Go to the other side. So there's your tap for letting the water out the top. And yeah, like I say, I've just greased it and I've just oiled a few bits because we were just checking it ran. It's actually been running for half an hour now. So it just started quite easy. Yeah, I'm going to do this up. Fancy doing one for a little while, but they're always miles away, and this one was only about a 45-minute drive, so me and Dad went and picked it up for like £100. I thought it was good. It wants a little trolley with the cast iron wheels on it now, like you see at them shows. So let me just let it run, and I'll show you it ticking over. Like I say, I will do a video of how to start it and all that sort of thing, but at the moment I'm just going to show you it running. There we go. Look at that. That's proper vintage. The most important, it does need a bit of work, but it does run alright. I think the carb wants a bit of a clean out, but it doesn't smoke too bad or anything like that. Like I say, I'd like to get one of those cast iron trolleys to mount it on, a proper stationary engine mount. Because also this is heavy, and I mean heavy. I mean, you try and walk around with this, it's terrible. You couldn't nick it anyway. Let's put it this way: you need a crane. But yeah. So this is another project that I've got myself now. So at least I can keep myself busy now until at least Christmas. So like I say, with this, we're going to paint it green, put the Lister stickers back on, which originally would have been on it, and hopefully get a trolley with it, with the old cast iron wheels, and make a nice base for it and that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm not going to do anything with it. I just bought it because I quite liked it. I like these quirky things, bit of fun, aren't they? Keeps me busy as well. So yeah, this is the new thing. We're going to be doing a stationary engine as well. So a few things that we'll need doing on it. If you notice on the top here, there's 3 of the bolts missing. Now these 2, I've already took this cover off and had a quick look. These 2 have been snapped off, so they've obviously rusted in, and we have to drill them out. This one's just missing, so that's at least one thing. So I'm going to have to get some bolts made for the top. The other thing that's a bit rubbish on it is, like I say, the stand is rubbish. You can see that. Look, it's not even it's just, yeah, that'll be firewood for next winter. You can see it needs a good degrease. It's absolutely black. Yeah, so I just want to clean. I mean, I've cleaned the top bit, so I checked it had oil in it, but I mean, it's filthy. So the first thing I'm going to actually do is degrease it. So I'm using this. It's been here a little while, so it's got a bit, it's a bit rusted. The can, but yeah. Like I say, it does want an oil change. The oil in it is shocking at the moment, but yeah, not bad considering how old it is. I mean, it's not new, and it's quite cool. It's water cooled. So yeah, like I say, it's been running now for about 25 minutes. So I'm just letting it run really until it runs out of petrol. Just because I think it's been stood outside for a very, very long time. These rollers as well, the pulley wheels, shall we say, they should be shiny. Not nice, proper, where the belt's been rubbing on them. So what I'll do is I'll rub them with a bit of sandpaper while it's running, very gently, and just get them nice and shiny on the edges. And I'm just going to repaint it green, redo the yellow on it, because somebody's done this before, so it's not like, no one's ever touched it. This has been repainted before. Redo the yellow and get it all nice and shiny. It's got nice copper fuel pipes, so I'm going to make those shine as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it for about £100. I think it's really nice. Really trim, yeah. There's the nameplate. It looks better with just degreasing. Much better. So I've just spilt some petrol, put it in. But yeah, this has been overfilled, I think, because it keeps coming out. Yeah, look at the state of the oil. Rubbish, isn't it? Yeah, but like I say, this keeps overflowing, so I reckon it's too full. But we'll sort that out. But yeah, it looks better with just a degrease. I've just rubbed a bit of rust off the fly wheels as well. Or the pulley wheels, if you want to call them that. Remove the hopper, and we're going to try and remove this bolt and this one. See, this one's alright already. I'm going to try and remove these two. So let's see how we get on. To make it smooth, and now I'm just going to, I've just drilled a little hole all the way through. Then we'll just make it slightly bigger, and then we're going to try it with an extractor. And now we're going to try it with the extractor to see how we get on. Basically, I put studs in. I've made sort of a stud. Better clean in there, it's a bit... oh, it's fell in there again, hang on. So basically I had to drill it out, but unfortunately I don't have a tap and die set big enough for this. So what I've done is, I've put a stud in, well, made a stud. Let me show you what I've done, hang on. I've basically got a bolt, ground the piece off. This needs a little bit more yet, but it was so hot I couldn't touch it. I found these rather nice tops. So basically I put the bolt in, drill the hole slightly bigger, up from the bottom, put your finger in there to hold it, and just screw it on. Perfect job. Yeah, and I think it looks better. So, yeah, let me get this one done. Holes drilled. It's just, I haven't done the bolt yet. So that's the hopper back on. So that's the original bolt. This is one I found that had writing on the top, so I'll just fold it off so it looks old. These are now studs, so you just put your hand up underneath, push the bolt in, tighten it up, and the edge of the hopper holds it still. Now you can see how hot I have this trying to get these old bolts out. Look, I've actually burnt the paintwork trying to get them off. But yeah, like I say, at least it's on now. I think it looks alright with these studs. It gives it more of a classic look, because it should, I think, originally said Lister across here, so we'll try and get a new one of those. So see, I did give it a very light rubbing. So now I just really need to find out what green this is. But yeah, much better. So as you can see, let me show you. The whole of this clip is brand new. Unfortunately, that's the original one. One of the lugs was missing. So I just made this out of a bit of scrap metal. It's not perfect, you know, I'm not an expert or anything, but it does the job. So the original one was completely past it. I made it out of one of these fan blades. Actually, I took 2 or 3 blades because I messed it up twice. But yeah, so what I need, oh, that's another thing I've done. I've give these a bit of a clean. Nice and smooth now. Could do with doing a couple more times, but you know. So, what we're going to do next, I'm actually after a trolley to put it on with the old cast iron wheels, but they're quite expensive at the minute, but I'm bidding on one at Peterborough at the minute, so you never know, we might get lucky. Because I want to bolt it to something, because it's really awkward to move it about, it's so heavy. So when I've got it on a proper stand, and I've got it painted up, because literally what I'm going to do with it is just paint it up, you know, just tidy it up, paint it up and polish a few of the bits and get the dirt and that off. I'm not going to take it all apart or anything, we're just going to, you know, get it so it looks nice. Now, I will do a proper startup video, so I'll show you how to start up a Lister D engine, yeah, D1, D, I don't know, but it's a Lister engine, yeah. But yeah, I'll show you how to start one, so that'll be quite a good video. Because apparently a lot of people don't really know, and in fact I didn't really know either until I bought it. I've never owned one before. So yeah, so stay tuned for this project. Like I say, I'm getting a lot of projects on the go at the minute, so this is good. But yeah, we like to keep busy. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Hello to all my new subscribers, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. We should be doing the Lister before the lawnmower, so bear with me on that one, yeah? We should be doing this Lister first, because the lawnmower, I'm still using it, alright? Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.